Hello students, this is class third. Subject is GSC and date is the 2nd July 2021. We are studying lesson 13, air and water. Last time we have studied that air contains water vapor, and in this I told you about one activity in which you have to take ice cubes in glass, and after some time you can observe water drops on outer surface of the glass, and another activity, you put some wet clothes in air, and after sometimes after air or in the sun, then the clothes becomes dry. Where this water moves, this water is added into air in the form of water vapors. Now, today we have to study. So, air contains gases. Last time we studied that the air contains water vapor. First, we have studied air contains water vapor, and today we are going to study about air contains gases. Air contains gases. Today we are going to study this air contains gases. So, air is a mixture of several gases. It contains gases like nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. Gases like nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. These are the main gases of atmosphere. Oxygen is used by living things for respiration. This is very important gas. We use oxygen gas in respiration, and we release carbon dioxide in the atmosphere during process of during the process of respiration. Next one, air contains smoke. Next one is air contains smokes. The third one, air contains smoke. Next one we are studying, air contains smoke. Here we are studying this only. Air contains smoke. What is source of these smokes in the atmosphere? You know, factories, brick fields, vehicles, means automobiles, are the main sources of smokes in the atmosphere. Any places where wood or fossil fuels are used as the source of energy, they are used for the burning. Smokes are produced, and these smokes pollute the air. You know, polluted air is harmful for health. Now next, air contains germs. Next one, food. Air contains germs. We are studying this one. This property we are studying. Air contains germs. You know about the germs? Actually, germs are microscopic, are very tiny living particles. We cannot see these germs by our naked eyes. We can observe them only with the help of microscope. So we have to read what is written here. Germs are very small living things that can make you sick. When a sick person coughs, sneezes or vomits, germs mix with the surrounding air. When we breathe in this dirty air, we also become the sick. So when a diseased person, sick person, cough, sneeze or the vomits, the germs are released into the air. When we breathe in this contaminated air, this air contains the germ, we become the sick. Thus, dust, smoke, and germs make the air dirty and impure. We should try our best to keep the air around us clean. It is essential to breathe in fresh and clean air. Air can be kept clean by planting more and more trees. So we should breathe in clean air, and plants works as the filter for cleaning the air. That is why we should plant the trees for purification of air. So I think that's for today. Next time we will discuss about the water. Thank you.